Welcome to Dr. Wanderlust channel. In this video, we are going to witness the beauty of Tugela Gorge Trail from Tendele campsite. Let's go. Tendele campsite is a popular destination for hikers and natural lovers in South Africa's Drakensberg Mountains. Located in the Royal Natal National Park, Tendele offers visitors stunning views of the surrounding mountains, access to numerous hiking trails, and the opportunity to experience the region's natural beauty. One of the most popular hikes in the area is the Tugela Gorge Hike, which leads hikers on a scenic journey through a steep and narrow canyon, with a highlight being the spectacular Tugela Falls, one of the highest waterfalls in the world. Tendele campsite is situated in the northern section of Drakensberg Mountains in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It is located in the Royal Natal National Park, which is known for its stunning landscapes, diverse flora and fauna, and the numerous hiking trails that leads visitor through the park. Tendele campsite is situated in a picturesque valley and offers visitors access to Tugela Gorge and Tugela waterfalls and many other hiking trails in the area. The campsite is managed by Izambelo KZN Wildlife, and there are several accommodation options available, including campsites, chalets, and cottages. The campsites are equipped with electricity, water, and braai facilities, and there are communal ablution blocks with hot showers and flush toilets. The chalets and the cottages offer more luxurious accommodation options with fully equipped kitchens, fireplaces, and private braai facilities. One of the main attractions of the Tendele campsite is its proximity to some of the best hiking trails in the Drakensberg Mountains. The Tugela Gorge Hike is one of the most popular hikes in this area, and it is a must-do for anyone visiting Tendele. The hike is approximately 10 kilometers long on one side, takes hikers through a steep, narrow gorge carved out of sandstone cliffs. The gorge is home to numerous bird species, and hikers are likely to spot baboons, dassies, and other wildlife along the way. The highlight of the Tugela Gorge hike is none other than the Tugela waterfalls, which is the tallest waterfall in the world. The waterfall cascades down a series of rock formations, creating a breathtaking spectacle that is not to be missed. Hikers can view the falls from a lookout point at the end of the gorge, and those who are feeling adventurous can climb up to the top of the waterfalls for an even better view. Another popular hike in the area is the amphitheater hike, which leads hikers to the top of the Drakensberg escarpment and offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. That hike is approximately 17 kilometers long and takes hikers through grassy valleys, steep gorges, and rocky terrain. The highlight of the hike is Amphitheater, a huge rock formation that resembles a natural amphitheater and offers stunning views of Tugela River Valley. In addition to hiking, Tendele campsite offers visitors the opportunity to experience the other outdoor activities such as rock climbing, horse riding, and mountain biking. Tendele campsite is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves the outdoors and wants to experience the natural beauty of the Drakensberg Mountains. With its stunning views, numerous hiking trails, and proximity to Tugela Gorge and the Tugela waterfalls, Tendele offers visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. The campsite is well maintained and offers a range of accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences. The surrounding area is teeming with wildlife and offers numerous opportunities for outdoor activities, making it an ideal destination for families, couples, and group of friends. The actual length of this Tugela Gorge Trail is 14.8 kilometers, which is an out and back type of route and which has an elevation gain of 759 meters. And this trail takes you to one of the greatest wonders of the Drakensberg Park, which is nothing but the amphitheater as discussed earlier, which is a rock cliff 3 times larger than Ie Capitan in Yosemite, USA. The trail also takes you to the breathtaking Tugela Falls, which is the tallest waterfall in the world. There is some bouldering over rocks, scrambling up a chain ladder, so although a bit challenging, and it is highly recommended. In the dry season, the waterfall has been known to dry up. So, based on our experience, this is the most beautiful trail, but one needs to be reasonably fit to complete it comfortably. From the section where you drop down into the riverbed, there are no trail markings, so you simply scramble over the boulders and maybe in the last 200 meters into the gorge and could not continue further as the boulders were too big. But we stopped often to take photographs and videos and admire the views. This gorge is majestic and really I felt so tiny. If you can make it up the chain ladder, you will come across some of the awesome pools to swim without currents. Water is fresh, crispy, cold and clear as day. It's a real treat. Time really depends on your pace. So my viewers, if you want to take this route, just run and you have to be back at the car park almost close to 4 o'clock in the evening. Don't miss to take a swim at the gorge.
Not Durban, not Durban. I'm from India. Yeah, proper Indian. The real one.
In this video,
I can
we
talk
have
in Tamil.
almost
My
reached
native.
the Tugela Gorge actually, the tunnel,
That's
which is
stunning.
most expected part of today's hike. So we are going to witness the beauty of the tunnel in the next part of the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Until then, bye bye.